Hello guys, today I'm going to throw 10 golden plantains at the Amazons. Let's see what I get. This is going to be my first Amazon bird. Wow, it's white Amazon. Yay! Okay, it's a green Amazon. It also looks pretty cool. Let me aim at the diamond Amazon and check if I get it. Okay, it's green Amazon again. Soon I will be making neon green Amazon. Let me know if you want to offer. Yay! One more white Amazon. Let me aim at diamond Amazon again. Cool! I got one more white Amazon. Okay, this is my last plankton. Let me aim at diamond Amazon again and check my luck. Okay, I got green Amazon again. It's okay. I got 3 legendary white Amazons. I am pretty happy with that. Let me know in comments if you want to offer to any of these Amazon birds. Subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!